Good morning, good evening my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my brother and sister, this is today's March 18, 2024. It's Monday. So we use this NMAX 155. So we ride this province of Batangas, one of the province here in Philippines. So this is the location, my brother and sister. I'm on the seaside now. Very nice view. So I'm on the way now to Monte Maria. This is one of the tourist destination here in this province.
Hi guys, welcome
Also, hi there.
boss.
So I will update you later, my brother and sister, when I already reach that place. It's very nice place here, and so quiet. I will show you my motorcycle, my brother and sister. So this is my motorcycle. It's a Yamaha NMAX 155. It's good for the highway and the rough road because this area is most of the road here is rough road. So I will update you, my brother and sister. See you. My brother and sister, I'm already here in the Monte Maria Church. So this is the place. Very nice place. This church, my brother and sister, is on the top of the mountain. So it's windy now here. It's very nice view. So that's the sea on that side. So let's go. So this is the famous Monte Maria Church, my brother and sister. Let's go. We go inside. So I just travel, my brother and sister, using my bike. It's a good motorcycle because in my home it's too much traffic there, so that's why we use motorcycle. So it's more accessible, more convenient. Show you this the sea and the mountains. So that's the sea, my brother and sister. Then, so this church is located at the top of the mountain. It's very nice view. So let's go. So today my brother and sister is March 18. Maybe I will start to pray next week. So for the time being, we will just enjoy traveling. So that's the view of the sea, my brother and sister. You see the view, my brother and sister. Very nice view. This is the famous Monte Maria Church here in Batangas City, Philippines. So my brother sister, I will just go inside, then I will just pray, then I will update you later. So before I go, my brother sister, don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my new uploaded video to my YouTube channel. And also you can share and like my video, my brother sister. So I will update you, my brother sister. I'll see you again. Peace. My brother and sister, I just finished pray. We will eat now lunch. So let's check which lunch we can eat here in Batangas City. So let's go. So this Monte Maria Church is very nice. One of the famous churches here in Batangas City, here in Philippines. So one of the famous churches here in Batangas and in the Philippines. So you see the view, the sea, the mountain there. Then this church, my brother and sister, is located at the mountain, top of the mountain. So it's very nice. So I will update you, my brother and sister, which lunch we will eat later. So we will go now to the parking. So we will go now to the restaurant. Which restaurant? Let's check which restaurant we can eat. Because this province, Batangas City, there's a lot of good restaurant here. So very nice location in this area. My brother and sister, have a good day and have a good night. Peace. Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. So my brother and sister, we just visit the Monte Maria Church. Now we are here in the restaurant, so I will show you the lunch for today. So I have here rice, beef and chicken. So this is consists of maybe 100 to 150 grams of carbs. Then we have this beef siomai. It's very good source of protein, and some chicken. So it's very nice meal. It's called chow pan. Rice, this is fried rice. Then we have the beef here, then chicken. Then we have some soup here, the brother sister. One ton noodles. So let's check, my brother sister. So it's maybe around 300 to 400 calories. Then only water. Good source of protein and carbohydrates. So that's it, my brother and sister. I hope you enjoyed the video for today. So before I go, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so you'll always be updated to my uploaded videos on my YouTube channel. And also you can share and like my video, my brother and sister. So I'll see you again, my brother and sister. Have a good day and have a good